Kona, are you sleeping? No. Are you cute, Kona? Yeah? Did you shake your head? Yeah, smile, Kona. You know you want to smile. Oh, Kona, we need to get your fish oil. Come on, Kona. Come on, Kona.
How'd you get her excited?
I said she wants food.
Oh, that's mean. You didn't give her food?
No. Sit. Good girl. You want your fish oil? Yeah? Yeah, Kona, you want your fish oil? There's one. Come on, Kona, now we get the hand. No, no. Come on, Kona, come here, sit. Sit. Okay, wait till I get the hand. Yeah, you excited, Kona? You excited? Tam! Tam! You want that ham, huh, Kona? Hang on. Let me grab some. Dig it out. This. Okay, Kona, it's ready. No? Here, Kona? No? No? Oh! Good girl, Kona. Good girl. Here's another piece. Hang on. Dang, this ham sticks together. Okay, Kona. Ready? You're gonna catch it, okay? No, sit. Oh, back here. Kona, sit. Sit. Good girl. Oh, yay, Kona. Woohoo! Kiss me. Good girl.